Hey, Anton here from GT Canada. Today we're putting LED headlights into my Chevy Avalanche, and I was going to show you how to swap the headlights on pretty much any GM vehicle of this vintage. This is a 2006. This will work on anything pretty much from 2000 till 2006 for sure. I think they kept it in 2007 and on, but definitely till 2006. This work can be done just about anywhere. I'm doing it obviously on the grass in front of my house. So the first thing you want to do is locate the headlight that you want to do. You'll see this pin right here. You just turn that, slide that out like that. And then this entire headlight will come out enough that it will expose your headlight bulbs. I'm replacing the low beam, so you just turn it like that, pop that out, it'll just pop right out, just like that. And then the new light will just slide right in, the same way the other one came out. This is a LED conversion, so you just want to double check the polarity. So before I put this back together, you can see it's still loose, but I'll go turn the headlights on, make sure that they do turn on. So because this is an LED conversion, this sticks out a lot farther than the other one would have. You can see that's the high beam. See how much that sticks out. It actually runs into this right here. So I'm going to just nibble this away and kind of open that up, drill it out a bit. That'll be enough to make it so when it goes back together, that harness can just stay out of the way. So once you're done nibbling that out, you just need to nibble enough that you can get that light back in. You put this rod back in until it lines up right, and then goes tight right on there, just like that. And then that's it for that light. So that's what it takes to put headlights in your Chevy truck. It's really easy. It's not something to be afraid of. You can do it. You don't have to do LED lights. If you do regular lights, you don't have to nibble out that bit like what I did. But if you want to upgrade, put LEDs in, you might have to nibble that out a little bit. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.